Alright, so this is my homemade propane cannon. It has combustion chamber in the back. This is the place where you put the propane. This is the place where the bullet comes out. Alright, I'm going to be trying two projectiles. This is first, this is a little golf ball that is ground down so it fits in the barrel nicely. And also, I'm going to be trying out a ping pong ball that I filled with silicone to give it more weight. Alright, first up is the golf ball. Okay, now I'm going to be trying the ping pong ball filled with silicone. This is a golf ball attempt to and one more.